I am Dr. Ryan Koenig. I graduated from St. Vincent in 2005 with a biology degree. I work at West Liberty University as an assistant professor in the exercise physiology program. My main task is teaching. Most of my duties are teaching exercise physiology classes. I'm also an advisor for students with the exercise physiology major, and also in charge of our lab, all of our lab equipment, and any research that gets done in the lab. So the first step was I went to the University of Wisconsin in Madison and got a master's degree in exercise physiology, and then followed that up with a PhD in exercise physiology. And then just opened myself up to the best jobs that could come along, and interviewed at West Liberty, and it was really just a perfect fit for what I wanted to do with teaching and being very hands-on, very small classes with students, and actually a lot like my experience as a student at St. Vincent, which is what really drew me to it. I'm constantly, when I'm planning lessons, thinking back to how did I learn this when I was at St. Vincent? What were we doing in physiology class that I can use to pass this on to students? And actually, as I was talking about thinking back to the classes I was taking, Dr. Jim Barnett was really probably the most important person in my undergraduate education. The way that he taught physiology, especially, both in the classroom and in the lab, he's the person I try to emulate when I'm teaching. Yes, your degree says one specific thing on it, but you're prepared for really a wide range of things. And my degree was in biology, and I do biology, but that's not what we call it. I need that understanding as the foundation of everything I do. And so that's really what I see St. Vincent providing is a foundation for you to build really any career that you're drawn to once you leave. And you also get so much experience outside of your degree area that I ended up with a minor in philosophy that I feel is important to just the day-to-day thinking that I do to help me tackle problems. So it's very, I think it's a cliche to talk about well-roundedness, but I think it fits very aptly with what you get from St. Vincent.